Hey everyone, this is Rima's Culinary Adventures and we are making Cashew Chicken Bhuna. Our ingredients are bone-in skinless chicken, I prefer thighs, cashew nuts soaked in milk, 3 onions, 2 roughly chopped, 1 finely sliced, yogurt, garlic, chopped ginger, cardamom and cloves, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, oil, some whole spices, sugar, and garam masala. First, we make our onion paste. We add our chopped onions with a tablespoon or 2 of water into a blender or a food processor and blend it into a smooth paste. Set that aside, and in the unwashed blender, add in the ingredients for the marinade. We add yogurt, ginger, garlic, cardamom, cloves, turmeric powder, and salt, saving just a little bit for later. Blend the ingredients into a fine paste and pour over the chicken. Mix well to combine, and you can leave it refrigerated overnight, but 20 to 30 minutes of marination would be just fine. Now add in your milk-soaked cashew nuts into the unwashed blender and blend it smooth, scraping the sides every once in a while till you get a smooth paste. Pour into a bowl and set aside for later. Pour the oil into the pan and once hot, add in the sliced onions. Add a pinch of salt and spread it out into an even layer. We want to fry the onions very gently, stirring every other minute over medium heat. We want them to resemble the color of honey, and this is when we want to take them out of the oil because they continue to cook further and darken because of the residual heat. Once done, add in the sugar and cook until caramelized. Add in the dried chilies, cinnamon, bay leaves, and fennel seeds and fry until golden and aromatic. Whole spices have a tendency to burn, and therefore make sure that the heat is medium and fried for about a minute, stirring constantly. Add in the onion paste and mix it in with the spices and the oil and add in the salt. Fry over medium heat, stirring every once in a while until most of the moisture disappears and the oil starts to separate. When the onion paste is nicely caramelized and dry, add in the chicken along with all the marinade and stir well to combine. We want our chicken to simmer very gently in their own juices, and therefore we want to cook with the lid on over medium-low heat. To ensure that nothing catches, stir every once in a while, mixing in the lovely fond along with the juices. Repeat this process and cook with the lid on for about 35 to 45 minutes depending on the size of the pieces. The chicken at this stage, cooked slowly along with its marinade, is perfect for biryani along with the onions, but that's a recipe we shall make another day. When the juices have thickened and the oil starts to separate, add in the cashew paste, garam masala, and chili powder and mix well to combine. Now, to ensure that the cashew paste does not get stuck to the pan and burn, we must cook, stirring every other minute or so over low flame. This way, we ensure that the cashew paste cooks through very gently, which deepens the flavor and enriches the gravy beautifully. Mixing in the caramelized fond into the juices every other minute, cook for 15 to 20 minutes and add in the fried onions, saving a little for garnish later. Stir everything well to combine, and using 2 forks, check if the chicken's done. When the chicken's fork tender, increase the heat to medium-high and fry off the cashew curry sauce into the desired consistency. Here I've used the wooden spoon to break my chicken into bite-sized pieces, but you can leave it whole. Once the cashew curry is caramelized and thick to your liking, stir in a pinch or 2 of chili flakes and you're ready to serve. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.